0, 1, 2, 3. Let's get started.
Hello everyone! Today we are going to feature one of the new recipe from Fudu. And of course my daughter is so hungry because she just came from training. And yes, this is the ramen I'm talking about. It was really nice, as if we went to Japan to eat the ramen. So it's so Japan-like. And these are the fish and beef with garlic rice. And after a very good meal, we treat ourselves with nice ice cream to freshen up. So this is how they do the ice cream in Cold Stone. So they have to play around and just give us a little bit of show. And then after that, they are going to put the toppings, the strawberry, and present it with a very good view of the ice cream. So there you go. That's it. That's how they put the toppings. And I was really having fun looking at it. So with the peanuts, the whipped cream, and then the strawberry. And yes. Oh la la. That's it. There you go.
Where are you from?
I'm from Nepal.
Nepal.
And you? Where are you from?
We're from Philippines. I'm hiring. I need staff.
Yeah.
I need staff from here. You have anyone from here looking for a job?
For which position, ma'am?
It can be for waiter, waitress, like this.